Hello everyone, Photoman here with the first full video of 2026, although this one was indeed recorded on my Edmonton trip in 2025. But this is the former Huon United Church, which is believed to have been constructed in 1917. I've put the history from the pioneerchurches.ca website in the video description as usual. New videos will be coming out as soon as the weather cooperates here in Alberta, so please stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for being here and tuning into the channel.